Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 7 tutorials. So guys, in the previous video we successfully resolved the responsive issue that were related to admin dashboard, and now let's say we are going to access our admin dashboard using our mobile application, or let's say mobile. So we are not going to see those specific issue because they are resolved. Okay, so guys, in this specific video we are going to do the same work, but this time we are going to do it for the user dashboard. So without further talking, let's start. First of all, let me move to my login page. Right here I'm going to put my basic user or user credentials. So in this case, just like that, login. Okay, so now I'm going to move to first of all, let's move to inspect element and let's view it in mobile view. Okay, so right here everything looks fine except this heading. So guys, since we are using the same custom file for both the admin and the user panel, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to access the same CSS file just to see the classes. Okay, and now I'm going to implement the same classes so that we are following the same font size for every heading. Let's say if it's an H3, we are going to use the 20 pixel font size. So now since it's right here, let's move to resources, views, user panel, and let's start with the dashboard. So right here I need a custom H3 class so that we can reduce the size of this heading. So yeah, so custom H3, since we are using the same custom file, you can see we can use the custom H3 class. So let's do a refresh, and right here you can see the change, and right here it's implemented. So yeah, it's working fine. Okay, now let's move to another page and let's move to, let's say, view site. It will take us to the home page of our blogging system, so I don't need that. So let's move to create blog. Okay, and right here you can see we need to change the heading once again. So let's open this create blog page, and right here once again I need custom H3 class which we created in the last couple of videos. So sorry, I just pressed Ctrl S right here. So let's do a refresh. Okay, so you can see the size is reduced, the font size. Okay, now I think we have an added block page as well, but let's move to a waiting block first. Okay guys, so right here I need to reduce the font size for the heading. I also need to reduce the size for the, let's say, actually I don't need to reduce any size right here, and right here we can also reduce the size right here for this heading as well. So yeah, we can do that. Okay, let's move to custom H3. Okay, and sorry, it's a dashboard page and we need to access the, I think it was an awaiting block. So awaiting block, and right here first of all I need custom H3, custom H3, sorry. Okay, now the next thing I need is table responsive class to make the table responsive. So table responsive. Okay, and I need one more class right here, that is padding 0, because I don't want the padding right here. Okay, so this one, let's apply the class. Okay, and I need to decrease the custom H6 as well. So we already have a class for this one as well. Okay, let me save this one and let's move here and let's apply custom H6 just like that. Okay, now let's do a refresh, and right here you can see the changes. Okay, so it's working fine, the table looks good, and let's move to edit blade. Okay, so this is the edit block blade, and right here we need to change this heading again. So let's move to edit block blade right here. Okay, so yeah, custom H3 just like that. Okay, yeah, it looks fine, and let me see if we need to do anything else. Let's do a refresh. Yeah, looks fine. Okay guys, so let's move to another page which is approved blocks right here. Okay, so we need to do the same procedure as we did for the awaiting blocks. So yeah, let's open it. First of all, custom H3, then we need a table responsive. Okay, we also need one more class, that is custom card body with 0 pad. Okay, and let's do a refresh first to see the changes. Okay, we need to do one more change that is related to H6 heading, except that everything is working fine. So yeah, let's apply the class right here, custom h6. Okay, yeah guys, so let's see it again. It's working fine. Let's move to our next page, and I think the next page is profile. So yeah, this is the last page, I think. Yeah, okay, so apply the custom h6 here as well, just like that. Okay, so let's do a refresh. And yes guys, so everything is working fine. Oops, I think I implemented, or yeah, I'm using the wrong class, so I need the h3 one. Sorry for that guys. Yeah, now it's fine. So let's review the pages once again. Working fine. Let's move to create blog. Working fine, we don't need to do anything else. Okay, and let's move here. Everything is working fine. If you see any change, you can do it on your own as well. Okay guys, if I missed anything in case. Okay, so the last thing, I can't see the HR right here, so let's fix that as well. We have covered all these pages, approved blogs right here, awaiting, create blog, dashboard, edit blog, and profile. So let's move to layout, sidebar, and I need to copy this HR, and I'm going to replace it with these one. Okay, just like that. We can align the code later, and right here as well. Okay, yeah, now let's align them. Okay, now let's view them in action, F5, and right here you can see. So now it's working fine. So we have did all the necessary changes that we actually implemented for the admin dashboard. So now we are on the same page. Okay, and yeah, everything looks fine. So in the next video, we are going to remove the unnecessary, let's say, links or pages, and actually I will decide the next video topic after completing this video. So yeah, that's it from this specific video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.